Kunesibeletho esafunjathiswa umoya sakhiqiza umntwana omdala kunomame owayekhona unina engakabibikho. Kwakhothama isibhakabhaka kwahefuzela umkhathi inyanga yahlehla nyovana isifihla ngamafu phela kwasekuzelwe ukukhanya. Awuthi ngiye kodwa ngisingisi. Erased lines on palms. No identity, for fingers have lost their prints, and a home has lost its prince. To live a rough life with smooth hands that are vigorously rubbed. But friction is futile when warmth is held hostage by a sharp breeze that cuts skin with a cold winter dagger placed on necks uncovered by scarves. Street kids, strangled throats, congested nasals in self-defense blow grenades of disgust as they burst, oozing mucus, escaping suffocation under temperatures, sighing a breath that imitates smoke when it rises. And our body is a vibrating coliseum for gladiator cells, weaponless, versus hypothermia Goliath in an icy battlefield. Imagine how our empty bellies wrestle starvation. It's not so royal when tummies rumble. Teeth gnashing at war. Imbawula, wrapped in rust, fed wood would spew flames, so they gather around the fire, not just for heat, but to see the light at the end of the winter tunnel, stretching their arms to catch a new season that kangaroos and springs out of sight. Don't follow the light. Their pupils dilate. It's too late, and now they are late. Another street kid has been found dead this winter.